Want to recharge your mobile using crypto? It's fast and easy with the INRx Pay app. Let's walk you through the complete process. Start by downloading the INRx Pay app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Once installed, open the app and complete your registration and KYC process. Make sure to generate your 6-digit UCPI PIN if you haven't generated yet. If these steps are done, feel free to move ahead. On the home screen, go to the Recharge and Pay Bills section. Now tap on Mobile Recharge, then you'll see your contact list appear here. You can either choose a saved contact, search by name, or directly enter the mobile number that you want to recharge. The app will auto-detect the operator and circle based on the number. If the number exists in your contacts, it will show the name. If it's new, it will be displayed as unknown. Now you'll see a list of available recharge plans. Browse the available plans and top up. Scroll through and select the plan you want. Tap on Details to view everything like validity, data benefits, talk time, and the total amount. Once all set, click Proceed to Pay. Select the crypto token you'd like to use for payment, just make sure it has a sufficient balance. Once selected, the equivalent crypto value will be auto-calculated based on INR. Now enter your 6-digit UCPI PIN to authorize the transaction. That's it, your recharge is now successful. To review your transaction, just visit the History section in the app. Here you can view the payment details, fee breakdown, and status of your recharge. So whether it's for you or someone else, recharging with crypto is just a few taps away on the INRx Pay app. Have questions or need help? Contact our support team via mail at support@inrx.io or reach out on WhatsApp. Our team will assist you within 3 to 4 working days.